Hello guys, welcome. We're going to work on the minor, the second minor. Last week we worked on the three major chords we have on the major scale, and also we added the inversions of those major chords. So we had the first, the fourth, and the fifth. The first, fourth, and the fifth chord. That's the do, the fa, and the so. We did that in the key of F. Also have three minor chords on the major scale. Remember, the major scale starts from do, re, mi, fa, so, la, si, 7 notes. So if you have 3 which is major, you have 3 which is minor, the last one is a diminished. Was I too fast? Let's get on the keyboard. What I'm trying to say is this. On the major scale, in the key of F, we have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And last week we did do, fa, and so. Alright? This time we're going to add the re, mi, and la. But for this lesson, we are going to add just the re. But I'm going to show you how to form the re, the mi, and the la. Understand how we form it. In basic terms, playing the re is like this. Re, fa, la. And the mi is mi, so, ti. Then the la is la, do, re. Okay, so you have, that's the minor. The 3 minor we have in there. The last one is a diminished. That's the T. We're going to approach that another time. So basically, forming the minor chord is just like forming the major chord. But this time, you turn it around. So the major chord, forming it is like this. You have 3 notes in between. That's the intervals. 1, 2, 3, and you come to the notes. 1, 2, and you come to the fifth. Again, 1, 2, 3, and you come to the third major. 1, 2, and you come to the fifth. And if you want to make this F major chord a minor chord, you flatten the third. This note becomes this. So you have the F major being a minor chord. Today we're going to look at the G. So how we form the G minor chord is simply just like forming the F minor chord. Forget about the black and white and focus on each black note or each white note is considered and respected equally. Each of them is a note and each of them have the same value. So if you have the G major like this and you want to form the minor chord, the major chord has 1, 2, 3 intervals. Then you have the third there, you have 2. So it's basically 3, 2, then 5. 3, then 3, 2, then 5. Okay? And if you want to make it a minor chord, you flatten the third. This is the third, and this is the fifth. You flatten the third to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the third one, you will flatten it. Now, when you flatten it, what you have actually created is a 2-note interval against a 3-note interval. Remember, the major chord was 3 intervals against 2. And the minor is 2 against 3. So the major was 3 against 2. The minor is 2 against 3. Okay. So once we have that, let's look at the mi. Alright? Good. The mi, we have, instead of having a major chord, which is the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then you have the third, 1, 2, and fifth. The third will be flattened. Again, 1, 2, 3, 1, then you have the 1, 2, then you have the fifth. This third one will be flattened. And directly, you end up having 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. That's how you form the third. The same way you are going to form the sixth. The la is the root note. That is the D. F, G, A, B flat, C, then D. If it's on this scale, it's like that, but basically D. And D, the third, we remember, is 2 against 3 intervals. So you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Simple. Alright? Practice that. Re, mi, la. Again, re. With your right hand, you have mi, la. Alright? Practice that. Now we're going to apply using the re on some basic songs that we can